होता ही साल नवंबर 25 ते इंटरनेशनल डे फॉर द एलिमिनेशन ऑफ वायलेंस अगेंस्ट वुमेन ला दिन मान्या निशना सोशल वेलफेयर डिपार्टमेंट बा आज भी इतु दिन मानी से टाउन काउंसिल हॉल चुमगीद मादे प्रोग्राम दे कोता कुरिया हुमोई सोशल वेलफेयर ला सेक्रेटरी ब्रा कुसे नागालैंड दे इतु साल डोमेस्टिक वायलेंस ला केस 350 तक उठी से आरो ताई ब्रा इतु बिशी अफसोस असे कुसे आई बी डिटेल्स अब
আমি একটা wording edu poila edu kagos sadam de edu dik ekta saise when the population of men is higher there in a country when a population of the male is higher there is always to be a war in a goi kitia mota laga population ni bishi hobo edu country to war hi thaki goi olibi kitia population maiki aro mota laga equal sex ratio thakibo tadi peace harmony development edu country to develop hoi jai goi edu nishina ase so I hope yadi motagan kiman chu nai gana ase let's aji laga yadi observation aman edu elimination of violence against women observe kurado amambi yadi bra amambi chanigena maiki khan kim yadi ki ase aman laga maiki hobi bacha khan mai chukri maiki khan hobi we'll have to treat them aman sob mota nishina amala mota bacha ki ase nishina equal treat kurile aman sob amal laga especially amal laga state can be develop hoigana economically aro peace and harmony thagibo gena pisas tangor ase
aro aji mokan itu NSRM la under the SSG kan itu kam kura tikigena mokan laga council kan pustimano aro ini alag government organization kan bi ase dade bishi support na mokan ge aji to aro mokan bi aji inha kam kurbo limit to eko phoi nai mon dangor gore gena na kile mane inha cases to apuni aro ami ekla bura to na paribo holibi kitia ami kan na team dikwan is na unite to end violence against women na apuni aro ami jon mili gena ekta hat hoi gena kurili to sob pare gena chabole pare na eto karne ni moi abuni kan ge aji kobo mon daga to ahibi aji laka din de ami ga sab ekta mon hoi kena ekta hat hoi kena ami ga la society ami ga la community de bhal kam kuri kena jabote ko na it short testimony ra encourage
I would ask all the men who are here today, please carry this message forward. This violence against women cannot be tolerated, and we have put many mechanisms in place to see that this is eliminated as we go along. All of mondukla kotha ekta to kobole mon hoa to though we have made some progress and though we have put so many things in place to see that violence against women is minimized. However, it is sad to say that during the last 1 year, we have had cases reported to just for domestic violence alone, 350 laga case aishide through our women helpline. And this has increased. It will increase hoishe. So we mahal laga aim to hobo lage decrease kurigna. In fact, the reports should be nil. It is not to say that people should not report, but incidents should not be there. So this is one thing that I really want to stress about. And yeah, so the government of Nagaland, itu khali government ministry laga kotha no hoina, government of Nagaland bi makan ekta kagos banai called the Vision 2030. Vision 2030 Nagaland laga ekta kagos te kwa tu leaving no one behind. Itu laga kagos laga main aim aro theme tu leaving no one behind. Itu tu this is based United Nations la Sustainable Development Goal 2015 la upor base kurigina. Aru under this SDG number 5, itu tu maiki itu gender equality la kotha koya ase de. So this gender equality says that we have to aim to achieve gender equality and empower all women and girls. So it is not only the central government, but also the state government that is taking an active initiative to ensure that there is equality and then the women and the girls and women are to be empowered. So, in order to eliminate violence against women and girls, addressing the root causes is crucial, which includes challenging discriminatory social norms, transforming harmful masculinities, and eliminating structural gender inequalities and stereotypes. We may say, mahan babi thakibo, mahan Nagaland to, mahan maiki han ke equal opportunities diya se inika babna ko thakibo. But we do have gender inequalities in Nagaland. Mahan la cultural setup hi inika ase, gender inequalities to ase. So itu kan sai gena all these kan to mahan slowly mahala mindset change kuna gender inequalities. Maiki han to mota khan laga piche ta ase, maiki han to mota khan la niche ta ase. Itu laga mindset to mahan remove kuribo lagibo. Aru we should strive to bring about maki mota khan to equal hobo lage. I'm not saying that maiki khan should be above the men. Maiki khan pra mota khan ke maribo lage itu kwa noy. But we have to strive to achieve gender equality.